Hello friends and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will show you how to turn off sound of the alarm clock of your iPhone and put only vibration. No sound, just vibration. Let's go. If you want your iPhone alarm to vibrate only but not make sound, open a clock, tap to plus, set a time, tap to sound, scroll down and choose none. After that, tap sound, go to top, press to vibration and choose what you want. I choose default. Press save. That's all friends. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video if you have answer for your questions and push subscribe button. Have a good time.